Brad Williams, Excel primed. With the introduction of the ribbon tab, let's get into one of the many shortcuts Excel offers, the mini toolbar. Here's an illustration of the mini toolbar, and essentially it captures quite a bit of information found in the ribbon, but it's available by simply clicking within any active cell. All you do is right click. It will show you a dialog box. Here is an active cell. I'm just in K20. I'm going to right click with my mouse and there's the mini toolbar. That's it. What's so good about it? Well, it's a simple click away. What does it do? Here, you see how it's lined up this high. Let's move the active cell. Let's move up a little bit. There, it's shown below. What does it do? Let's just go through it real quick. There's a lot of information here, and I'll give you a summary because we'll dive into each of these topics individually. We have a cut. That means you're going to cut something. We have a copy. We have a paste option. We have a smart lookup. We have insert, delete, clear contents, filter, and we can filter a whole bunch of different ways. We have a sort. We can sort. Remember, I said you can go up to data and then hit sort. You can sort here. You can get data from table range, insert comment, format cells. You're going to use this a lot. We're going to have a pick from drop-down list, define names linked, and then this SMF doesn't apply to this in any way. That's just something I use, not related to our work. But if you have add-ins, they may show up in your mini bar. Here is an example. I'm going to type in ABC. I'm going to right click and I have this mini toolbar and I'm going to hit cut. So what this does, you see this moving line, it just means it's active. You can do something with this particular cell. We said cut. What do we want to do with it? Let's move it over. Let's move it over from N20 to L20. Then right click again. You see this paste option? Hit paste. And what happened? You cut that information in N and moved it over to L, just using the mini toolbar. What about if we want to copy that information? Hit copy, go over back to N, right click. Here you have a bunch of options. This is under the paste option. You have paste, values, formulas, etc., etc. We're just going to hit paste. So now we have two using the mini toolbar. We could use this home. You see up here, we have cut. We could have used that cut option. We could have used this paste option. But the mini toolbar saves us the movement of going up here and doing that. Now there's shortcut keys we'll dive into later where you can just use your mouse to do the exact same thing without dealing with the mini toolbar. Right click, you see this active cell, hit escape. That way you won't copy or infringe on the original information. Active cell N20, right click. Here we want to delete it. Just hit delete and shift cells left, entire row. We don't want to do it. Hit delete, shift cells left, and you just deleted it. Go back to ABC and L20, clear contents, and it just cleared it. Now we could go up to home, editing, clear, and do the same thing. But the mini toolbar just saved us those extra steps. Right click. Let's go up here to Jim. How about we format this cell? Here we go. We have all these options here in this dialog box. You see we have number, alignment, font, border, fill, etc. That's all across here. You see this? See number? We have number. We have alignment. You see number here? We have number. We have alignment. We have alignment. We have font. We have font. You see, the mini toolbar will allow us a little bit of flexibility using the tools within the mini toolbar. Clear this, cancel, right click, define names, insert comments, sort, etc. If we wanted to sort this information here, We could go up to data and sort, or we could right click, hit sort, and sort A to Z. Here we just sorted everything A to Z. We could go back up here, up to data, sort and filter, and do the same thing, but the mini toolbar solves it quickly. Now, remember this, Control Z, CTRL plus Z. Remember it. Why? Because any mistake you make, you can reverse it with Control Z. Now you can go up here, up in the ribbon, above the ribbon, you have your quick access toolbar. Remember I said you have these 3 options and then you can add your own? Well, if you put your mouse arrow up on this arrow, you see undo typing. You see where it says Control Z? Well, we can undo. I'm going to hit Control Z. I'm just going to hit this because what will happen is this Control Z will go away. Control Z, fine. I don't like what I sorted. I can hit Control Z and watch this. You see Al, Alan, and et cetera, et cetera. I'm going to hit Control Z and just keep an eye on this here. Control Z. And now we went right back to our original position. If I want to change this, if I want to redo it, I can hit Control Y or I can hit the redo. And it just took us right back. If I want to reverse that, Control Z or Control Y. Next, we'll be discussing how to customize the quick access toolbar. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thanks for listening.